Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Aprilaire 600 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked appliances for maintaining a healthy and comfortable home environment, especially during dry winter months or in arid climates. This powerful whole-house humidifier is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing HVAC system, delivering consistent, optimal humidity levels throughout your entire living space without the need for constant refilling or manual adjustments. Its advanced features and robust construction ensure efficient operation and long-term reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to alleviate the discomforts associated with dry air, such as static electricity, dry skin, and irritated sinuses. Number 5. Aprilaire 35 Water Panel Humidifier Filter, 2-pack. Ensure optimal performance of your Aprilaire humidifier with this genuine replacement water panel. It's designed and manufactured in the USA by the indoor air quality experts. This water panel is specifically designed to fit Aprilaire humidifier models 300, 350, 360, 560, 600, 700, and more. Its dimensions are 10W x 13H x 1.75D for a perfect fit. Crafted from aluminum mesh with a special coating, it effectively absorbs water and maintains the ideal hydration for efficient evaporation. For peak performance, replace your water panel once per season. This convenient 2-pack provides a full 2-year supply. Maintaining optimal humidity levels, 40% to 60%, with our humidifier can reduce respiratory infections, allergy, and asthma symptoms. It also enhances comfort and protects your home from dry conditions. Installation is simple with the included illustrated instructions. Plus, it's compatible with the Aprilaire Healthy Air app for replacement reminders and air quality insights. What we like. This is a genuine replacement water panel, designed and manufactured in the USA. It's compatible with the Healthy Air app for reminders and information. If you are looking for a reliable, authentic part to maintain your Aprilaire humidifier and want app-based convenience, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Aprilaire 600 is a whole-house humidifier that can be installed in your ductwork. It has a large capacity and can humidify up to 4,000 square feet. The unit is designed to be low maintenance, with a self-flushing mechanism that helps prevent mineral buildup. Number 4. Aprilaire 35 Water Panel, Pack of 2. Ensure optimal performance with genuine replacement parts. This pack includes 2 water panels designed for your Aprilaire humidifier. These water panels are engineered to fit a wide range of Aprilaire humidifier models, including 350, 360, 560, 568, 600, 700, 760, and 768. With dimensions of 10 inches high by 13 inches wide, these panels are designed for a precise fit within your unit. Maintain ideal humidity levels throughout your home. Proper humidity can make a significant difference in your comfort. By optimizing your home's humidity, you can help reduce susceptibility to colds, the flu, and other respiratory discomforts. This convenient pack comes with 2 water panels, ensuring you have a spare ready for your next replacement. What we like. This is a genuine Aprilaire water panel replacement designed to optimize humidity levels in your home. It helps reduce susceptibility to respiratory ailments. If you need a straightforward, genuine replacement to ensure your humidifier is working effectively for health benefits, this is a great option. What people say. The Aprilaire 600 is a whole-house humidifier that can be installed on your furnace or air handler. It has a large capacity and can humidify up to 4,000 square feet. The Aprilaire 600 is a whole-house humidifier that can be installed on your furnace or air handler. It has a large capacity and can humidify up to 4,000 square feet. It also features a built-in sensor that monitors humidity levels and adjusts the humidifier's output accordingly. Number 3. Aprilaire 4839 Whole Home Humidifier Maintenance Kit. Ensure your home's air is healthy and comfortable. Maintaining optimal humidity levels can significantly reduce respiratory issues and allergy symptoms. This is a genuine maintenance kit, designed and manufactured in the USA. It's made to optimize the performance of your whole home humidifier. No need to search for parts separately. This kit includes everything you need to keep your humidifier running at its best. Inside, you'll find the water panel, scale control insert, distribution tray, feed tube, and more. all vital for peak performance. This kit is specifically designed for Aprilaire humidifier models 600, 600A, and 600M. Replace the water panel annually for optimal results. With this kit, you can restore your humidifier's performance to like-new condition. Enjoy consistent and effective humidification all year round. What we like. This is a complete maintenance kit designed to make your Aprilaire whole home humidifier like new. It includes all necessary components for peak performance. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution to service your humidifier and ensure it's running optimally, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Aprilaire 600 is a whole-house humidifier that can be installed in your ductwork, providing consistent humidity levels throughout your home. It features a large capacity water panel that can hold up to 12 gallons of water, reducing the frequency of refills. The unit is designed to be low maintenance, with a self-flushing mechanism that helps to keep the water panel clean and free of mineral buildup. Number 2. Aprilaire 600 Whole House Humidifier. Meet the Aprilaire 600, a whole-house humidifier designed for optimal comfort. It's built to provide consistent humidity throughout your home. Trust in quality, as this humidifier was designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire. They are the pioneers and leaders in indoor air quality solutions. This powerful unit offers full coverage for homes up to 5,000 square feet. Its large capacity ensures your entire home stays comfortably humidified. Enjoy effortless operation with its automatic dual sensor technology. It monitors both outdoor temperature and indoor humidity to maintain the perfect level 24/7. The easy-to-use digital control displays current humidity levels and provides timely alerts. It lets you know when maintenance is needed, ensuring peak performance. Maintaining optimal humidity levels can significantly improve your health. It helps reduce respiratory infections and allergy symptoms by minimizing the growth of airborne irritants. Beyond health benefits, it enhances your comfort and protects your home's furnishings. Prevent damage caused by dry air and enjoy a more pleasant living environment. What we like. This is an automatic, high-output whole-house humidifier with full coverage for homes up to 5,000 square feet. It features dual sensors for automatic humidity control and a convenient digital display. If you have a larger home and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for consistent, optimal humidity, this is the unit you should consider. What people say. The Aprilaire 600 is a whole-house humidifier that can add moisture to your home's air. It is designed to be installed on your furnace and works with your HVAC system to distribute humidity evenly throughout your home. The unit features a large capacity water panel that can hold a significant amount of water, reducing the frequency of refills. Number 1. AMI Parts 4040 Replacement Humidifier Solenoid Valve. Introducing the AMI Parts 4040 Humidifier Water Valve. This essential component includes a compression nut, washer, and inline strainer to precisely control water flow. It ensures your humidifier delivers the right amount of moisture for a comfortable living space. Crafted from solid brass, this solenoid valve is built for durability and has been thoroughly tested. It meets OEM standards and effectively resolves issues like continuous water flow, ensuring it shuts off properly. Replacing your old valve is straightforward with this easy-to-install part. With just a screwdriver and wrench, you can complete the repair yourself in no time. This valve is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Aprilaire humidifier models. It replaces numerous OEM part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your unit. Have questions about compatibility or installation? Reach out to us via email. We're committed to responding within 24 hours to assist you with any concerns. What we like. This is a humidifier water solenoid valve made of sturdy, solid brass material that controls water flow to ensure proper humidity delivery. It's designed for easy installation with basic tools. If your old valve isn't shutting off properly or you need a reliable, durable replacement part for your Aprilaire humidifier, this is the solution. What people say. Humidity in our house went from 19% to 40% in no time. Compatible with Aprilaire 700M, no leakage, no noise, easy to install, and feels good quality. Every furnace valve works on standard furnace power, which is universal in North America. This is a simple repair that anyone with basic wiring skills can do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.